Good afternoon, Year 10 Product Design students. I hope you're all keeping well and are managing to stay safe. This short video will give you a really good introduction to your coursework and will help you to make a really good start, guys. My advice is to listen carefully, make some notes, and to keep checking ShowMyHomework as your teacher will be setting regular deadlines on there. I can't stress enough just how important it is to make a really good start at this before you go into Year 11. You might also be wondering why I'm wearing a hat. Basically, I've had a really dodgy haircut and I'm not quite ready to show the world yet. So good luck with the coursework, everyone. As you may be aware, your coursework will contribute 50% towards your final GCSE grade. You will have the choice of completing this by hand on A3 or A4 paper, or if you prefer, doing it on the computer using Microsoft PowerPoint. Your context and product will be about enhancing everyday life. You will have to research into problems and design a product that would help a person or persons carry out basic important tasks in everyday life. So, you may have guessed by now that your product will be a desk tidy or a desk organizer. As you can see, the ones in these photos are a little bit outdated and, to be honest, not that interesting. You will have to base your design and your product around a client or a particular target market. And your challenge will be to create a product that is really exciting, engaging and interesting. Perhaps it might look like one of the products in these photographs. The first page of your portfolio will be a mind map. This can be done on A3, A4, paper, or on the computer using PowerPoint. Basically, you will put your context in the middle of the page, and from that have a range of words, categories, subcategories, and pictures that all relate to your context. I would also advise having a simple introduction and conclusion at the top and the bottom of every page. Maybe something like this. Here you can see some of the key words or link words that could relate to your context. Here you have an example of a fairly basic mind map. As you can see, there are lots of words and pictures, but in my opinion, it needs to be a lot more detailed. This example is a lot better. You've got categories, subcategories, introductions and conclusions. Everything relates to the context. I would give this a really high mark.